Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at Marine Max in Greenville, your upstate's exclusive Bennington dealer. Today I'm on a 2022 21 SLX Bennington Tri-Tune. This boat does have the full SPS performance package, which is the Tri-Tune kit. It is powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower motor. Scott's going to walk around the boat and give you a good showing of it. And then he'll pass the phone off to me and I'm going to show you all the inside of it. Okay, as you can see here, we got that 150 horsepower motor and a ski tow bar, which is really nice. This boat is the kind of the traditional L-shaped lounger seating arrangement. But one thing I really like about this seat is you got this nice pad up there, and you got a 10-foot long bimini top. So that bimini top covers this whole entire section all the way over the console, so you can get lots of shade. And then if you do want to get some sun, you got two full forward loungers. And this boat does have this radius seating in it, so it's a really versatile seating arrangement because you can face forward or face back and lounge and chuck to everybody there in the back of the boat. Scott's trying to hide. We'll take a look at all the other Benningtons we got in stock right now. We actually got a full showroom. I know you're not used to seeing that if you've been keeping up with the market, so we have lots of boats to look at. This boat does have the silver Syntex interior with the Monaco blue and carbon accents. You've got these nice portable cup holders with some cell phone pockets on the side that you can move wherever you want to throughout the boat. Removable table. Check out the console here. It's got a tilt wheel, so you can tilt that. Nice reclining captain's chair with flip-up armrests. Got a Bluetooth Rockford Fosgate stereo system, an inlaid Garmin depth graph, and full instrumentation. And this boat is a blast to drive. Really a great performing boat. A lot of bang for the buck. Please come check it out here at Marine Max in Greenville, South Carolina. Thank you.